Hello friends, today we will solve question number 6 of exercise 11.3. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? These are the two boxes. One is cylinder and one is a cube. The diameter of cylinder is 7 cm. Height is 7 cm. The length, breadth and height of the cube are 7 cm. The difference between these two figures is that one is a cube and one is a cylinder. Solution. Diameter of cylinder is 7 cm. Radius half of diameter 7/2 cm. Height is 7 cm. Now we will find lateral surface area. Formula is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7. 154 centimeter square. Now lateral surface area of cube 4L square. 196 centimeter square. Hence, the cube has larger lateral surface area. Given diameter of cylinder is 7 cm. Radius of cylinder is 7/2 cm. Lateral surface area. Formula is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7. 7, 7, 2 1s are 2, 2 11, 22. 22 into 7. 154 centimeter square. Now lateral surface area of cube. Formula is 4L square. 4 bracket 7 square. 28 7 square is 49. 49 into 4. 196 centimeter square. Answer: cube has larger lateral surface area. Now question number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? एक बंद cylindrical tank है जिसकी रेडियस यानी ये चीज 7 सेंटीमीटर है, डायमीटर उसका डबल हो गया 14 सेंटीमीटर और हाइट उसकी 3 मीटर है। हमने ये पता लगाना है कि कितनी शीट ऑफ मेटल चाहिए उस डब्बे को बनाने के लिए। आंसर, क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है कि जो सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक है वो क्लोज्ड है, सो वी विल फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक, 2 pi r h plus r. We will put the values and solve. Hence 440 meter square metal sheet is required. Given radius of cylindrical tank is 7 meter. Height of cylindrical tank is 3 meter. We have to find the TSA, that is total surface area of cylinder. Formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. 2 pi stands for 22/7, radius is 7 and h plus r 7 plus 3. 2 into 22/7 into 7 into 7 into 10. 7 cut. Answer is 440 meter square. Answer, metal sheet required is 440 meter square. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. एक हमारे पास होलो सिलेंडर है, यानी वो खाली है, सिर्फ कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया है। कितना है? 4224 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। उसको हम उसकी हाइट से उसे कट कर देते हैं, यानी इस जगह से हम उसे कट करते हैं तो एक रेक्टेंगल बनता है। उसकी विड्थ है हमारे पास 33 सेंटीमीटर, यानी सिलेंडर की हाइट कितनी है? 33 सेंटीमीटर। Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. We have to find the length and then the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Given lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. Height of cylinder is 33 centimeter. LSA is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is equal to 4224. 2 pi R की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है, H की है। H क्या है? 33. 2 pi R into 33 is equal to 4224. 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। 2 पाई आर को हम इधर रखेंगे और 33 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई में है, इज इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड पे लाएंगे, डिवाइड में आएगा। 2 पाई आर की वैल्यू है 128 centimeter. Now we will find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into 128 plus 33, which is 2 into 161, is equal to 322 centimeter. Answer is the length of the rectangular sheet is 128 centimeter and the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 322 centimeter. Thank you, friends.